Hey guys, this is Diane from CoraVina and welcome back to day 3 of our week that includes lavenders and powder blues with a little bit of gray and white. Okay, so I've got all of our inspiration from Instagram, beautiful stuff that I found, and I've pinned it all to a Pinterest board so you can go back and see who created this awesome picture. All right, so here's our inspirational collage. Okay, that's what we're working with. Today, we're looking specifically at this vase that I saw that is an ombre from lavender to blue. Okay, so let me show you our colors. We've got these lavenders right here, a little bit of this lighter blue, and then I'm gonna throw in these blues here too. This blue is a new addition, but I think that vase goes a little bit deeper than what we've got. So we're gonna give it a nice little shake, 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 and then see what we can do. So my goal today is an ombre, okay? Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Thanks for being here. I'm gonna tilt the camera down and we're gonna get going. Okay, so this one might be a little bit tricky because with our paper paints, they tend to be spreading really quickly. And what's happening is we're fighting with the surface tension. So see how that kind of pushed out? So it's by pushed out, I mean it's like the ebbing and flowing of our paints. There's always a give and a take. So they expand out and push back when you put them into our water here. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one I am missing. This one is here. I'm gonna put another one on top of our purple. This is all the way in the corner. This is supposed to be the lightest purple. We'll see if that works out or not. So I'm gonna come back in and thicken up our middle. Looks like it's being a little reluctant. Let's see what we can do about that. I like where the colors are lying though. I think that's really pretty. I think the ombre is super fun. I think that our pearl paints down here are taking their time to dissolve or disperse, and that's actually what this is up here as well. So we're just going to give it a minute and let it sit and wait. Okay, so maybe let's try and do some loops on this pattern. I think, okay, we'll come in, go nice and slow. You can hear the little scrape on my marbling tray. Okay, well that one's really pretty. Maybe we should stop there. Oh, I feel like we've been stopping there a lot. Okay, let's just give it a try, okay? Okay, it may not look that awesome here, but I think it's gonna be awesome when we pull it out, okay? I've been testing a new type of paint, and some days it's great, it looks really cool. Other days, I'm not sure. Not sure if it's worth my time. Okay guys, let's put this paper down and see what comes up. All right, here we are. Let's pull this out of the water and see what we've got. Oh, so pretty. I like what we did here, guys. Let it drip into our tray for a minute. What do you think? I like it because it looks like an ombre. This did end up being a little bit lighter than kind of our slate blue in the middle there. But I really like it. All right, Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Hope you're doing well. I hope you like our picture. Okay, so all this week we are working with lavenders, powder blues, a little bit of gray and white mixed in there. And this is based off the incoming trends that I'm seeing when I'm looking at women's retail. Okay, so I'm hoping for just really pretty spring things. All right, so here is our finished paper. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think it fits with our collage theme of the week? I hope you like it. All right, this is Diane from CoraVina. I cannot tell you thanks enough for watching. So I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're energized by creating something in your everyday life. If it's water marbling, great. If it's something else, good for you for having something else. Remember to like, comment, or share on this video. It really helps me out personally. And if you're interested in water marbled pretty things, go to CoraVina.com because there are lots of scarves and maybe some other things. I'm trying to work some stuff out, okay? All right, goodbye. Remember, live colorfully.